The coronavirus pandemic has forced landlords to cut deals with tenants regarding rent. It's in the landlord's interest to include a confidentiality provision in the new agreement with the tenant to prevent them from sharing the terms of the new agreement with the landlord's other tenants. I hope you and yours are doing well. During the coronavirus pandemic, circumstances have forced landlords to deal with non-paying tenants. Despite landlords' efforts to treat their tenants uniformly, the fact that each situation is different has necessitated that landlords reach separate agreements with tenants on a case-by-case basis, resulting in a wide variety of different agreements with tenants. It's in the landlord's interest that the terms of these separate agreements with tenants remain confidential. This can be accomplished by including a confidentiality provision in any new agreement related to a lease. The unfortunate reality is millions of commercial and residential tenants are in a difficult position right now and they're unable to pay their rent. Landlords have been forced to negotiate with their non-paying tenants to find a way forward under their leases, resulting in new agreements with the tenants that often include rent deferment, reduction, forbearance, or even in some cases, rent forgiveness. Likewise, many tenants that have managed to successfully remain open for business have benefited from the many vacancies to obtain tenant improvement allowances paid by the landlord to enlarge or improve their premises. Successful paying tenants are aware of their increased value to landlords and are using this added bargaining strength to obtain favorable lease terms from landlords. So, given that situation, we can see why it's typically not in the landlord's interest for their tenants to share the terms of these new agreements with the landlord's other tenants. In many cases, like the ones I just described, where a landlord reached a separate agreement with a tenant, the facts and circumstances affecting that particular tenant are unique and aren't applicable to any other situation. Landlords often include a confidentiality provision in a new agreement related to a lease. This can help prevent a landlord's tenants from demanding the same terms another tenant received. Let us know what topics you're interested in hearing about next in the comments. We release new videos on Mondays, and if you found this information to be helpful, please hit like. Check out our other social media pages at the Thomerson Law Firm for more relevant content. Stay safe and stay in the know, and see you next Monday.